Lesson 2. How do you use Orchid? Orchid is a new peer-to-peer privacy tool that includes a VPN and other features that put users in control of their internet connection. It's designed for regular people who want to use the internet securely, privately, and without having their online activity being sold to advertisers. To pay for private browsing with Orchid, you don't use traditional currency like dollars, euros, or yen. Instead, you use OXT. OXT is the Ethereum token that powers the Orchid protocol. It's the cryptocurrency that everyone uses to pay for services on Orchid, no matter what country they're in. Let's say Mary wants to use Orchid. First, she needs OXT, which she can buy on an exchange. Next, she sends her OXT to a Web3-enabled crypto wallet. She sends some Ether, too, to pay the Ethereum network's transaction fees. Now, she connects her Orchid account with her wallet and follows the instructions. The next step is to download the Orchid mobile app. Orchid is a new peer-to-peer privacy tool that includes a VPN and other features that put users in control of their internet connection. Because Orchid is entirely Web3, no username and password is required to sign in. Instead, Mary generates a cryptographically secure key with her app and pastes it into her wallet to link her Orchid account. That's all it takes. Now she's ready. When Mary wants to connect to the internet privately, she turns on Orchid with a single tap. If she's not happy with her connection, she can tap again to get a new bandwidth provider. Mary pays only for the bandwidth she uses. There's no upfront subscription or monthly fee. Instead, she's charged per IP packet using a unique innovation from Orchid called probabilistic nanopayments. Nanopayments are part of an off-chain system that allows all Orchid participants to exchange value without paying high transaction fees. The system is also more private than traditional payment methods, and it's only possible with smart contracts and the blockchain.